Which screen could represent the graph of this equation? Well, to start, I wanted to graph it myself on the calculator and see. So I took this equation, and I'm going to translate it into y equals mx plus b form by first subtracting 9x, okay, which gets me this. And then I'm going to divide this side of the equation by 5, and then everything on this side of the equation by 5, which gives me y is equal to negative 9/5 x plus 8. I then take my calculator, go in to y equals, and I've got it set, but I put that into my calculator, and then I hit graph, and I get this graph. Now, I look, and it's very tempting to say, oh, it's D, choice D, right? But it says which of the following could represent. So it's possible that there's more than one answer, and indeed there is. Choice B also works. Watch. If I change the window settings, I'm going to take the Y maximum and make it go higher. So I'm going to go into the window, I'm going to change the Y maximum to, let's say, 60, graph again. And now we're getting a much more shallow looking line, right? Which starts to look a little bit more like B. Maybe if I change the X minimum up to maybe 2 or something, let's try it. Or negative 2. Graph again, and now we're looking very similar to choice B. So, why can it be choice A and C? No, and here's why. First of all, let's look at the equation. We know that it has to have a positive y-intercept and a negative slope. So let's look at these graphs. Does this one have a positive y-intercept? No. Does it have a negative slope? Yes, but it doesn't have a positive y-intercept, so that one's out. B, we just figured out. It has a positive y-intercept and a negative slope, so you're going to be able to make the calculator screen look like it. This one, does it have a positive y-intercept? Yes, but does it have a negative slope? No. There's no way you can make the calculator screen look like that. The line does not have a negative slope. And we clearly saw that this one could be created. It has a positive y-intercept and it has a negative slope. So that's that. The answers are it could be B or D.